We all have felt small thinking about our universe at some point in our lives, right? There are billions of things in the universe that are bigger than our sun and more massive than our own Earth. Today in this video, we'll be seeing the largest star in the universe and trying to compare it to us. But before we move on, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit on that bell icon to stay updated. The Sun is the first star that comes to mind when we discuss stars. The Sun is the largest object in our solar system, which is a well-known fact. However, it's not the biggest star in the universe. A star's size is always determined in relation to the size of the Sun. You may estimate them based on mass or diameter. Remember that stars' sizes are always fluctuating. No star in the sky can ever be precisely measured by science. With the aid of a strong telescope or a set of binoculars, we may see different stars through our windows. However, they are incredibly brilliant and challenging to distinguish, even when seen by a telescope. The universe is a vast and mysterious region that is filled with a wide range of celestial bodies that come in all different sizes and shapes. The stars, which shine brilliantly in the night sky and provide light and energy to the planets that circle them, are among the most amazing of these. However, there are certain stars that are genuinely huge, dwarfing even our own sun in size and strength. We'll explore the biggest stars in the cosmos and compare them with the Sun and the planet Earth. The cosmos contains incredibly brilliant stars called hypergiants and supergiants. Typically, hypergiants are bigger and heavier than supergiants. Red supergiants, blue supergiants, yellow hypergiants, and so on are all possible. Hypergiants are extremely uncommon and possess high masses, sizes, and luminosities. Because of the strong stellar winds, they are unstable and continually shedding mass. These stars are fascinating to study because of the stellar formation they underwent, their stability, and their capacity to show scientists how stars evolve. Canis Majoris, a massive star in our solar system, is discovered in the constellation Canis Major. With a diameter of around 1.7 billion kilometers and a radius of roughly 1,420 times that of our Sun, it is one of the truly greatest things in our universe. The surface of Saturn, our solar system's second largest planet, would reach beyond Canis Majoris' orbit if it were to take the place of our Sun. In addition, Canis Majoris is thought to be around 30,000 times more massive than the Sun, which means that it burns up its fuel even more quickly than Scuti. These massive stars are known as red supergiants and are in the final stages of their lives. Because of their immense size and power, they are also incredibly bright and can be seen from great distances in the universe. However, their lives are also incredibly short, and they are expected to end in a massive supernova explosion. The largest known star in the universe is Scuti, located in the constellation Scutum. This star is estimated to have a radius of around 1,700 times that of the Sun, making it around 2 billion kilometers in diameter. To put that in perspective, if Scuti were to replace our Sun, its surface would extend out beyond the orbit of Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Scuti is also estimated to be around 9,500 times more massive than the Sun, meaning that it burns through its fuel at an astonishing rate. According to Astronomy magazine, Scuti was initially listed by German astronomers at the Bonn Observatory in 1860 under the name BD-125055. Astronomers identified it as a variable star after discovering its changes in brightness and magnitude over a 740-day period during a second observation. It's around 9,500 light-years from Earth and is located close to the Milky Way's core. Rare stars that are very brilliant are known as hypergiants, which are bigger than supergiants and giants. Through swift stellar winds, they shed a large portion of their mass. All star sizes, however, are approximations. According to astronomer Gillian Shutter of the University of Sussex, quote, "The difficulty with stars is that they have fuzzy borders," unquote. Most stars lack a solid surface where the gas finishes and the vacuum begins, which would have been a clear delineation of the star's end and functioned as a severe dividing line. Instead, astronomers use the photosphere of a star to estimate its size. The photosphere is the region of the star where photons or light particles may leave the star and become transparent to light. As far as an astronomer is concerned, this is the star's surface because it is at this location that photons may escape the object. Doesn't the thought of these massive stars in our universe put you in awe? Wait till you find out about how small we are at the end. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, this is the chance. Despite having a vast radius, Scuti is not the most massive or heavy star. That title belongs to R136a1, which is just approximately 30 solar radii in diameter, but weighs roughly 300 times as much as the Sun. In contrast, Scuti has a mass of around 30 times that of the Sun, but a volume many times larger. The most massive star in the universe, known as R136a1, is truly a sight to behold. Located in the large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way, R136a1 is a Wolf-Rayet star. These are a type of massive, luminous stars that are known for their intense radiation and high temperature. R136a1 is estimated to be around 265 times more massive than our own Sun, and is around 8 times larger in diameter. This means that if R136a1 were placed in the same location as our Sun, it would extend past the orbit of Jupiter, engulfing all the inner planets. The intense radiation and heat generated by R136a1 also have a significant impact on the surrounding environment. The intense ultraviolet radiation emitted by the star is capable of ionizing the gas in its immediate vicinity, creating a massive HII region known as 30 Doradus. This region is a hotbed of star formation, with many new stars being born within it. Despite its size and energy output, R136a1 has a relatively short lifespan, estimated to be around 2 million years. In comparison, our Sun is relatively small and modest in size. Its radius is around 100 times that of Earth, making it around 1.4 million kilometers in diameter. While it's still considered a massive object in our solar system, it is minuscule in comparison to Scuti and Canis Majoris. Our Sun is also estimated to be around 4.6 billion years old, which is considered to be in the middle of its life. It's expected to continue to shine for another 5 billion years before it eventually expands into a red giant and then a white dwarf. Earth, on the other hand, is even smaller than the Sun. Its radius is around 6,371 kilometers, which is around 0.00006 times the radius of Scuti. This means that if Scuti were to replace our Sun, Earth would be a mere speck in comparison. Additionally, Earth's mass is around 0.00000000013 times the mass of Scuti, which means it is inconsequential in the grand scheme of things. While Scuti may be the largest known star in the universe, it is by no means the only one. There are many other massive stars out there, each one unique and fascinating in its own way. The universe is a vast and endlessly fascinating place, filled with countless wonders and mysteries. Understanding these wonders is an ongoing process. As we continue to explore the universe, we are sure to discover even more incredible things. Saying that, we come to an end. What do you think about this video? Do you think there are more massive stars than Scuti? Do let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you liked this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more videos like this, click on the links you see on the screen. We'll surely come again with more content. Until then, goodbye.